Assertion reason type question. Assertion is in electrochemical cell, KCl cannot be used in salt bridge if anodic or cathodic half cell consists of Ag plus or Pb2 plus ions. Correct. We are not supposed to use KCl in the salt bridge if the cathodic half cell or anodic half cell contains one of these ions. So this assertion is right. Assertion is true. Role of salt bridge is to maintain the electroneutrality and to minimize liquid junction potential. This is also correct. Then why we cannot use KCl in the salt bridge if anodic or cathodic half cell consists of either Ag plus or Pb2 plus? So if we know that, we can understand whether a reason given can explain the assertion or not. So what is given? If the cathodic or anodic compartment, this is the anodic compartment and this is the cathodic compartment, and these two are connected by the salt bridge, and these two are connected to the two terminals of N voltmeter. So now if this anodic compartment or cathodic compartment if contain either Ag plus or Pb2 plus, if KCl is there in this salt bridge, we know that the role of the salt bridge is that it brings about the electroneutrality of the ions. So if Ag plus is present in this, if Cl minus enters from the salt bridge, so the Ag plus can react with the Cl minus to give AgCl white precipitate. There will be a reaction. Similarly, if Pb2 plus ions are present in one of the compartments, during the electroneutrality of the cations developed, if Cl minus enters from the salt bridge, there is every possibility of Pb2 plus combining with Cl2 to give PbCl2. So there is a chemical reaction involved in addition to the neutrality. But in fact, we know that the role of the salt bridge is to bring about the neutrality of the electrolyte and thereby allow the flow of current to be continued, and it is to minimize the liquid junction potential. So thereby the reason given cannot explain the assertion. But assertion is true, reason is true, but reason is not the correct explanation. Therefore, we cannot go for A. Here is the B. Assertion is true, reason is not a correct explanation. Because there will be a chemical reaction when the chloride ion enters into the compartment where Ag plus or Pb2 plus are there, they react. So therefore, the answer is B.